Okay, YouTube. Now, you probably have heard about Kim Davies. Now, I'm going to explain if she did have a religious right or not. But here's the thing. I do respect your religion, and really, I'm going to be focusing on what the Constitution says and not what you think. Okay, so the First Amendment says that you have the right, the freedom of religion. But what exactly does it mean? She said that she had God's authority to not issue marriage license to same-sex couples. Is she a hypocrite? Yes, she is. Why? Because she had, believe it or not, I actually did some research and found out that she has actually been divorced 3 times and has been married 4 times. And I've actually studied the Bible, and even in the New Testament, it says that it's considered adultery to divorce and then marry again. So really, she's not even defending biblical marriage herself on her opinion on what biblical marriage is. Okay, the Constitution, the First Amendment, does say that you have a right to freedom of religion. But Article 6 also states pretty much is all for church and state being separate. But here's the thing. What was the thing she did? Religious freedom. Now, she was even told that she could have went to jail if she didn't do it. And she refused. She has a right to express her religion. She has a right to not go to work on Sundays. She has a right to wear one of those rags that Christian women wear. She has a right to do any of that. But she does not have a right to use her religion as an excuse to discriminate towards people and treat them as second-class citizens, and use her religion to pretty much discriminate against their constitutional right, which marriage actually is a constitutional right. It is. And the Supreme Court was very clear on this, that according to the 14th Amendment, it would be unacceptable towards the 14th Amendment to ban same-sex marriage. She was told, she was warned, and she ended up in jail. Now, people are saying that she had religious liberty. Now, let me explain this to you. Let me ask you this. If I have a religion where it involves killing people, do I have religious liberty to kill people? Or what if I have a religion that says that I have the right to drink at 15? Do I have the religious liberty to drink? Really, that's the point. And plus, she was still getting paid for her job, which is another problem. It was actually a form of stealing, because what she was doing, she was not doing